Hello everyone, this is Riddhi from Agri Analyze. In this video, we will see about phenotypic path analysis. Now we will move forward to our data set. Here, first column is genotype, second is replication, and 5 variables are present over here. Genotype will be G1 up to the G40 and replication will be R1, R2 and R3. Now we will save this file. Click on save as. We have to save this file in a CSV UTF format, UTF-8. So click on save. Now go to our Agri Analyze website, click on Phenotypic Path Analysis. You have to upload our CSV file. Select column as genotype, select column as replication, select dependent variable as GY. Now click on submit. Here you have to pay some nominal charges for the analysis. Now click on submit to get download. Now click on download button. In this path coefficient matrix, the data on diagonal is direct effect and the data on the off diagonal is indirect effect. Now we will go to our path diagram. Phenotypic path diagram are present over here. GY will be the dependent variable and other 4 variables are independent variable. Now we will move towards our PDF file. This is the output PDF file containing interpretation of the result. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.